How to share screen on TikTok live stream. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share your screen on TikTok live stream. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, you will need to head over to your TikTok. After you head over to your TikTok, you will see the plus icon on the bottom. Just tap on it to start a live. Now after you're there, you should see a go live option. Head over there, it should look something like this. And after you're in this section, you will see a mobile gaming option right besides device camera. You need to select mobile gaming, and when you select mobile gaming, you will start sharing your screen. Now after you share your screen, you can do whatever you'd like with it on the TikTok live stream. And yeah, that is basically how you can share screen on your TikTok live stream, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.